Okay, Shadow Ops 70. We're going to use Bullseyes and the Shepherd. Start with a Bullseye, and let's get rid of a Hunter. Whoa, usually it takes two. There's only one. Okay, now let's do a Shepherd. I think there are, 4 of these rocket zombies you got to kill. Last time I did it, I got less than 5 minutes repair. So I anticipate the same. So I'm just going to go kill him right now. They'll kill you, he will kill you, but you won't get much damage. See if this, sometimes those things will shoot out and kill this if you just kill something near it. Yep, that's killed all that. Okay. All right, let's go kill these guys. See if we can kill them before we get there. Oh, there's still one left. Let's kill him. That's it. We're just about done. That's all she wrote. I'll get nothing because I have to do 6 times now. I've done it so many times. I have to do 6, so I'll get nothing this time, but I'll get it next time. All right. Let's go back and see how much damage we got. That was even better. Only had 1 bullseye. Normally it takes 2. What do we get? 5 minutes and 55 seconds. So you got to wait 55 seconds before you can do it again. Woo, whoopee. Okay.